Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
The CH-47 Chinook is an advanced multi-mission helicopter that provides Indian Air Force with unmatched strategic airlift capability across the full spectrum of combat and humanitarian missions. The heavy lift helicopter has a twin-engine tandem-rotor design and is capable of airlifting a variety of military and non-military loads into remote locations. The helicopter's twin-engine design improves survivability in case of engine failure. Air is rare at the mountains, and aircraft engines need to be quite capable to operate in such an environment. Chinook has unsurpassed ability to deliver heavy payloads to high altitudes and is eminently suitable for operations in high Himalayas. The aircraft has been battle tested in diverse extreme conditions throughout the world and has proven capability to operate in a wide range of conditions that typify the Indian subcontinent. They have been proved to be a great workhorse for US in Afghanistan in mountainous terrain and at high altitude. With carrying capacity of 45 odd troops or about 11 tons of mixed inside and or underslung load, it can play a very important role in the insertion of troops, supply of support for various tactical missions. The frontiers at LAC remained heated up since the Galwan conflict and has not yet cooled down. The insecure PLA continues the deployment and muscle flexing along the LAC. In the meanwhile, Indian Army has fortified its position at northern and eastern border to counter any Chinese misadventure. The weapons which are going to be game changer at LAC are artilleries. They can target the enemy position from greater distances, and now with network-centric warfare, they have become more accurate and effective. These are the big guns that will change the battlefield scenario. However, transporting these guns to high altitude and unreachable terrains has been challenging. All thanks to the 15 Chinooks of Indian Air Force, which has now been seen transporting the M777 ultralight howitzers at our frontiers in Arunachal Pradesh. The M777s can swiftly airlifted between the valleys with the help of Chinook. The gun has been deployed as high as 13,500 feet in the valleys with the help of Chinook. Chinook helicopters have been operationalized in other high altitude locations as well, including Siachen Glacier area in Ladakh sector, and are ferrying military equipments to higher reaches. Last year, Boeing has completed the delivery of 15 CH-47 Chinook helicopters to Indian Air Force. However, considering their role and importance in the present situation, Indian Air Force need more of them to improve the logistic support to Army at the tough terrains. Indian Air Force at least need 15 more Chinooks, taking their total count to 30. With 30 Chinooks at its bay, Indian Air Force can operate 8 of them at Western Frontier, 12 of them at Northern Frontier, and 10 of them at Eastern Frontier. The good news is that Indian Air Force is evaluating the order for additional Chinook helicopters. If this materializes, it will be a big force multiplier for our armed forces at frontiers.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.